Yo, what is going on, guys? Tower Sports Collection. We are back with another video. We got the Mega Box Select 2023 today. I ain't gonna lie to you, this box was kind of expensive.
Oh no, bro.
I paid $80 for this one, so I think I way overpaid, but... So I was looking online, you'd find them for like $55. I don't know. Looking for ultra rare zebra prisms, the die cut cards. First time ever opening one of these, so let's get right into this sucker. I don't think I said it yet either. 42 cards, 7 cards per pack. Got one of those things in it. Hopefully that means it's got a heater, right?
That would be great.
And check this out.
To celebrate the launch of my eBay opening up, I'm going to be giving away 2 cards in this video. So make sure you listen to the end of the video to figure out how you can win. Pack 1 here. Hopefully this one's a little nicer to open. Oh yeah. Okay, so they're just like the basketball ones there. Starting off with oh, these are like stuck together. We're starting off with a rookie there. White. Tommy DeVito. Another rookie there. Little insert card. We got another rookie here. Oh, it's a die cut. We got a die cut of Tajay Spears. And there's another one behind it. What the? Aiden O'Connell, another die cut card.
Clip.
2 rookies in the same pack of die cuts? Is this just common or something? We got a Josh Allen die cut. Oh, yeah. Turbocharged Sam Laporta? Hell yeah. This first pack has been heat. Then a CeeDee Lamb. So in that first pack, we got 3 die cuts. It says 10 per average on a box, so that first pack was just full of them. This is pack 2 here. They were all like stuck together too. Starting off with a Baker Mayfield. We got a Travis Kelce. We got a rookie there. I don't even know who that one is.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the?
On the Cardinals there. Now we got a select Anthony Richardson. Yes, sir. Oh, here's another die cut one. A Bennett on the Rams there. Nice hollow on there too. As long as the die cut's a rookie, I ain't gonna be mad at all. We got Chris Olave, future. Nice, another insert there.
God damn, that's good shit.
Then a Zach, rookie. This is pack 3. Starting off with a rookie, Zay Flowers. Can't be mad at that one. Another rookie, Jordan Addison. Insert card there of Jalen Hurts. Ooh. Michael Wilson. Another rookie die cut card. Not numbered, but man. That's pretty sick.
So beautiful.
Select numbers. Trevor Lawrence.
Poor Trevor needs to shave his stash.
Please mute.
Another rookie, Josh Downs. Then another rookie, Clayton there. Pack 4. Either pack 4 or pack 3, I can't remember. Starting off with a Cooper. Rookie Lucas there. Looks like a kicker. We We got a Joe Mixon. Another die cut. A Josh Allen again. And we got an Aaron Rodgers. Another die cut there. Who is this? Jaron Hall. Look at this insert. Rookie on the Vikings.
That's impressive. That's an ideal statement. Great throw by Hall to Jones, and it looks like he is going to go.
And we got another Wilson rookie. Like rookie after another in these packs. Wow. Final 2 packs here. Hopefully we get a number card in here. Starting off with a Swift. Oh, Gibbs. A Jahmyr Gibbs. AKA Sonic there. Howden. Jared Goff. Another rookie die cut coming up too. Bryce Young. A turbocharged Mike Evans. And then a rookie Benton. Last pack here. Maybe one of these cards were numbered. I'll have to double check, but. We got a Jaden Reed. Rookie there. Derrick Henry, get out the way. Tress Way. Our die cut card here. Another rookie, Mozzie Smith. Ooh, yes, sir. A Brian Branch die cut card there. Anthony Richardson. Oh my God, last pack. Y'all see the next card here? Last pack, we get a CJ Stroud. Yo, you can't make that up. It's always the last pack. So yeah, I don't even know if I can complain about that one. That last pack right there saved me. That first pack there, we got the die cut Tajay Spears rookie. We got the turbocharged Sam Laporta. On the Cardinals there, we got Michael Wilson. Jaron Hall there. Like, that's a sick insert. Select certified.
It's official.
And like I was just talking about, we finally got the CJ Stroud.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
So yeah, if you stuck around this far, this is how the giveaway is going to work. All you guys need to do is just comment down below, and hopefully we can get in touch on like Instagram or something. I don't know how I'm going to figure it out, but my Instagram is the same as my YouTube here. So if you're a Raiders fan, we got Aiden O'Connell, Tyrese Wilson. So you pick Raiders, comment Raiders down below, and you can get that one. We got Jared Goff, Jahmyr Gibbs for my Lions fan. Colts, we'll be doing Anthony Richardson. Nice little insert card there. And then a Downs. Let's really make the Cardinals one a cool one, eh? We'll do a Michael Wilson on the die cut there. And then Amari, I think is how you say that one. Rams, we're going to do, I believe this is a kicker, but he's a rookie. Insert card. Then a rookie Bennett. And then here's the Saints one. We got a Chris Olave. And then the die cut Howden. So if you want to win the giveaway, want to pick your favorite team or whatever, hopefully I gave you some options there. I know it's only, what, 5 or 6 teams there, so. You'll see a lot of these cards up for sale there. So say you like that Jaron Hall, it might be on there. I try to keep my shipping cheap and everything like that. I'm even going to try to do some card bundles, but I'm starting off with football, so if you guys like football cards and just want to go check it out over there, I mean, feel free. I'll leave a link down in the description right to my page. So, but yeah, guys, you guys just want to like, drop a comment down below to try to win the giveaway. That's cool too.
In dear God's name, please.
As always, we post heaters all the time. You know, it's been Tower Sports Collection. And yeah, guys, peace.